Thanks for clicking on this video, and I know it was a hard decision to make, but you did it and you will be rewarded. I'm going to condense our entire multi-day trip to Texas into the fastest recap ever. You know, you have that one person that they go on vacation and they want to show you 50,000 blurry photos from their trip, and you're just hoping that sweet death slowly takes you away to escape the bullshit. Well, this is not that. Now, my buddy Sean and I are headed to Texas 2K18, which is the Super Bowl of car racing. Here I am in my Uber right now, and whenever I travel to a new place, I always try to play a scavenger hunt game to see if I could find a list of things in a new city. So when visiting Texas, here are the list of things I'm looking to see on my scavenger hunt. I want to see at least 2 Teslas, 4 Nissan GTRs, 40 Mexicans going to jail, a Subaru STI with a bunch of money into it, 2 Dodge Vipers letting you know how fast they are via their license plates, 6 black people, 886 white people, 1,000 random birds, someone named DeMarcus, 2 thick girls, me driving someone else's car, someone open carrying, and a car with worse panel gaps than a Tesla Model S. Okay, let's start the trip. It's 5 a.m. I'm in my Uber. He offers me gum for my trip, and if someone offers you gum, you always accept it because your breath is probably stank. Okay, at the airport, carry my bright orange bag that's carry-on size approved. Hola, ready to go? Yes, of course I'm ready to go. Check in to get my ticket, wait for my boy Sean. Where the hell's my boy Sean at? Sean shows up, can't figure out how to attach the sticker to his luggage, so he gives up. We walk around the airport for someone to help us, and we stumble upon a place called Vineyard Vines, or is it Vineyard Vines? Either way, Sean tells me it's a store for clothing by white people for white people. And I told him I still don't get it. He said it's kind of like FUBU for white people. And I'm like, oh, bathroom break, okay, let's see. Men, women, where's the third gender bathroom? Sean and I had breakfast, waited like 30 seconds before we had to board the plane. So they called our names, which was super embarrassing. Then we boarded the plane and see our first class snob. Listen to the safety notice that no one listens to anyways. We took off and I'm sitting here bored, not sure where to look because a woman is breastfeeding next to me while trying to talk to me at the same time. And all of a sudden, thick. Okay, there's one. We land, get to the airport where nobody knows what's going on. Sean and I look at Turo to rent an exotic sports car, but it turns out we don't have enough money for that, so we settle for Enterprise. We get to Enterprise, sweat bust. Then we get to Enterprise, wait in line for 30 minutes, only to find out that Sean reserved the car at a different Enterprise. Back on the sweat bus to the airport, then we call an Uber to bring us to the right Enterprise. Psalm 63, that's when David was in the desert of Judah. Then our Uber shows up in a badass Prius. Just kidding, those don't exist, and it's not our Uber. Here we are, Acura TL, not bad, although it smells like an ethnic food section of a grocery store. We get to the right Enterprise. Sean manages to find the cheapest rental car on earth. Thick. We head out to find cheap food, so we stumble upon a Mexican place called Chacho's, which I believe means vagina. Either way, it was a converted automotive shop, so it seemed legit, right? We sat down, got the cheapest food in the world, which was also delicious. Both plates were less than 20 bucks total. Damn, that was good. Now, where's the bathroom? Okay, we drive to the hotel and, ooh, what's this? A broken door. The hotel lady says someone broke in that morning and tried to steal the front desk safe. Oh, okay. Cool. We get to our room and someone was definitely killing here at some point, but either way, let's hit the town. We go out, get something to eat, saw 1,000 birds, see a truck. Hey, nice parking job there, buddy. Get to the door. Oh, drive-through only. Sit in line, wait for our food. And we got diarrhea. Party time.
Dude, there's already shit in the toilet. That's awesome.
Next day, get breakfast. Sean finds hair in his food, drives to Royal Purple Raceway. We assume it's a bus because it's raining, but in reality, in Texas, it rains for 45 minutes, then it stops, it repeats over and over and over and over. Okay, at the raceway, first car, Mystic Chrome Terminator and a Z06. The Terminator is a convertible, so it's automatically dismissed. We walk around, see a big turbo S2000 when all of a sudden, our first Tesla. And GTR. Yes! Only a few more Teslas and a few more GTRs to go, baby. Saw a Dodge Demon, that's cool. Oh look, more GTRs. We reached our goal. So then I saw this Mustang, which I think Sam Crack owns. Wait, what's Sam Crack doing in Texas? Found more GTRs, that's odd. Wow. Oh, there's a Viper owner. Insane HP. Ah, I get it. Ha, insane horsepower. Whoa. Whoa, look at those gaps. I could sleep in there. Here's our winner, folks. Worse gaps than a Tesla Model S, the Generation 5 Viper. Okay, let's find some more GTRs. Okay, I think we're done with GTRs here. Oh. Wow. 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 There's a nice custom Chevy truck, a ridiculously fast Jeep. Oh, look, an i8. And a mini IA, it's so cute, its doors go up. First race of the day, oh look, 2 GTRs racing. Didn't see that one coming. Well, what the hell is that? Is that Iron Man? Dude, it's not that serious, bro. Is that an iPad? What are you doing? Corvette-powered Porsche. Some guys pouring race fuel into their Supra. Leroy! Viper, another cocky license plate. C7Z, LOL. Ah, how original. How long have you been working on that car for? All day, baby. Racing, 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 more racing. Just a heads up, if you go against a Lamborghini at 2x2k 18, you're going to lose by a lot. And I bet you this is a P85D. Yep, it's a PA5D. More GTRs. I never thought I'd see another one. That's strange. Send the drone up. Look for some thick. Don't see any. Send the drone back down. Met a nice guy that recognized me as car guru at Tx2k. Holy crap, I'm famous, baby. We hung out that night and helped him work on his buddy's $90,000 STI.
This is what 90 G's into an STI looks like, by the way.
Do you have 90 into this?
With the 2 builds and the price of the car and all the stereo stuff I did.
Didn't realize I'd be working on cars while I'm here. The car is all set and this complete stranger let me drive his GTR. Okay, guess I'm driving a GTR now. So he said, let's take the GTR, and his buddy takes the STI. We drive for 15 minutes looking for some races with other cars, and the STI overheats and shuts down. I hop in the GTR, leave the STI behind, and go look for some more racing. Apparently the big meet for races at the biggest damn gas station I've ever seen in my life. It was as big as a Walmart. Then a random guy walked up to us and said, hey, any place to go for racing? Well, we didn't know either. We finally find the meetup spot. Nobody wants to race a GTR because it's a GTR. And finally, we find some people willing to run. And till about 2 a.m. Next day, several arrests were made, but for a primarily white event, how did they manage to only arrest the Mexican people? Next morning, Sean finds hair in his food. Next day, back to the speedway. What is this monstrosity? Staging lanes with Mustangs ready to crash into each other. Mini Lamborghini, horsepower. Damn, it's a big-ass supercharger. Oh, look, a Supra. What the more racing. Oh, look, more Supras.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Thick. Oh, look, someone working on the GTR. Finally, a car that's not a GTR. There's a Porsche here, a 4GT, oh, and another GTR. Oh, what the hell is this? The guy cut a motorhome in half, and how do you even get this thing off? The sound of freedom. Man, I really haven't seen a GTR in like 4 seconds. I hope... Oh, look, there's another GTR right there. Okay, I'm hungry. Time for some Texas barbecue. Well, hold on, is this a line for food? Okay, we don't have much longer left. I'm looking for someone named DeMarcus. Excuse me, officer. Do you know anyone named DeMarcus? Okay, thank you. That's cool. Okay, there's some kind of dyno day here. Yes, it's a GM shop. That ZR1, Okay, first car up, ZL1. I'm guessing 550-ish horsepower. People really like seeing how much power cars make. Oh, I was wrong. 800. Damn. Okay, next car. It's a Mustang, so sand clear. Probably gonna run into someone. Let's see how much power it makes. I'd guess 480. Well, hot damn, it made 700. Next car is a C6 LS7 convertible. Looks like a Callaway. Wait, is that lighted plexiglass? Okay, I'll set with this one. Let's get out of here. Drop off the rental car. It's 5 a.m. and apparently this is not a 24-hour enterprise. So how are we going to do this? My vote was to leave the car on the sidewalk and take an Uber to the airport, but Sean said, let's just bring it to the airport enterprise. And I was like, no way, dude. There'd be way more drama if we do it my way. So we ended up driving to the airport and... This all seems a little bit too easy. We Gucci? Well, see you later. That was easy. Let's get back to the shuttle. No boom boxes. Damn, they really like George Bush down here. This car is electric and it's probably more reliable than a Tesla. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, watch it, shorts guy. Order some automated breakfast. See, this is what happens when you go on strike for more money. An iPad takes your job. Sean mysteriously still finds more hair in his food. Long ass line back to head on the plane. How is there another line? I don't even understand how there's a second line here. Yay, middle seat. Kill me now, please. Back to Boston. Where the luggage at? No, really, where's my luggage? Call myself an Uber. Damn, there's still snow on the ground. It was so nice in Texas, too. Had the Uber drop me off a mile from my house because I don't want people seeing how I live. And I'm home. So, trip recap. I saw 10,000 white people, 800,000 GTRs, 3 thick girls, 40 arrested Mexicans, 7 black people, bunch of Vipers with cocky license plates, me driving someone else's car with panel gap worse than a Tesla. Unfortunately, I didn't find anyone named DeMarcus, And I didn't see anyone open carrying. Alright, maybe next year then. Anyone here named DeMarcus? Okay, have a good night.